Here I am unboxing and giving my first impressions of this Smart Garage video keypad. So this is by the brand myQ, and this helps you to see who's coming in. Okay, so we'll open it up. There's a QR code for us to install the keypad, and this has a app. Oh wow, this is really nice. Okay, so here's the device here. There's all the different buttons. Pin. There's the camera here. This feels really durable. I like the look of this. This will look really nice on the house, especially in comparison to what we have right now. So this is the other side. Let's see what else is in the box. Not too many pieces in the box, which is always a good thing. Here's the cord here. I'm going to be doing the unboxing now, and then my husband is going to be the local. That's it. So our second part will be once it's installed, and we'll see how it works. I'm just going to install this, but I really guess this is really easy to install. So it says we have live streaming, temporary access passes, two-way talk, an illuminated keypad. That's very important, right? We have one right now, and it doesn't have a camera. It's very limited, and it's very hard to get into that for us. Rechargeable battery,